Number 3. ZEE-Porte OutDoor Security Camera. Do you need an all-in-one solution for comprehensive home security? The ZEE-Porte Outdoor Security Camera delivers exceptional performance with a range of advanced features designed to keep you informed and secure. With 2K Full HD clarity, this camera provides stunningly clear video and images, 4 times sharper than 1080p. Its versatile night vision modes, full color and infrared, ensure that you can monitor your property effectively, even in complete darkness, with a visible range of up to 33 feet. This wireless camera is a breeze to set up, requiring no power cords or network cables. It operates on a rechargeable battery that lasts between 1 to 5 months, and its IP65 waterproof rating means it performs reliably in any weather. The camera's smart PIR motion detection, powered by advanced AI, accurately distinguishes between people, vehicles, pets, and packages, sending instant notifications to your phone when activity is detected. The ZEE-Porte camera also features two-way audio, allowing you to communicate directly through the built-in microphone and speaker. You can even use the smart siren alarm and flashing LED light to deter intruders. Plus, it's a pocket-friendly option, so you don't have to break the bank to keep your home safe.